baby, don't run away. Cause baby, we got unfinished business.
Before we start this video, I just want to let you guys know that Dsoar Hair is having a giveaway, and all you need to do is subscribe to Dsoar Hair and my channel. Make sure you're subscribed. Then you're going to follow Dsoar Hair and Mommy is Tropic on Instagram. Then give this video a thumbs up and the video on Dsoar Hair Channel a thumbs up. And then I have some links in my description box, and you could get to choose which hair you would like. The prize, the first winner will get 3 18-inch bundles with an 18-inch closure. The second place winner will be 3 16-inch bundles with a 16-inch closure. And the third winner will get a $20 off coupon. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you how to do this blue hair color. All I'm doing is pouring this hot boiling water into this container that I got from the dollar store. I chose to use this, and I always use this instead of using a pot because it's unsanitary. But yeah, I wanted to get like this bluish silverish color, so I'm using these two dyes. You can screenshot it right here. Okay, and so basically I used one and like a little bit of that blue color, and then for the silver color I used the whole bottle, but I should have just used both because I had 3 of these. So I had 3 bottles. I had 2 of this one and 1 of the silver color. I should have used all 3 bottles because the hair kind of came out a little lighter than I expected. But you guys can just watch what I'm doing right here because it's really self-explanatory. I love watching videos like this, so I'm just going to stop talking and play some music so you guys can watch. Okay, so right here I'm just testing out a little part of the hair just to make sure to see if the dye is the color I want it to be, and it's not. So I'm going to add a little bit more of the dye, and then I'm going to dip the hair in. I just want to tell you guys, this hair is from Dsoar Hair. This is their 324s and a 20-inch lace frontal. I really like this hair.